show your song.
I didn't wear anything.
Okay.
All right.
He's carrying it all.
All right.
So here we are.
All right. So hey everybody. What we're doing today is on a really cool day. Just joking. Very hot day at Rotary Park, Airplane Park, spreading mulch and trying to help out the community and township and those that come here and play, the kids and parents and whatnot. So we've got a lot of help. Huge thank you to everybody that participated and is participating in the township. Did a wonderful job in preference, so much appreciation to them. So yeah, it's a good day, and appreciate everybody coming out. And Rody's
Keep up the
been
good work
awesome,
there,
great
Ty.
people. We have Mulhall in the
Stress
background.
yourself out.
There we go. We got Mr. Mulhall in the background. So shout out to him for coming out because I didn't think he'd make it. So hey, thank you everybody. So all right, good deal.
Thank you, President-elect. Morning, Tom.
Morning.
Elizabeth,
I'm Sandra.
how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you? Happy summer.
I'm fantastic. Happy summer to you too. Hey Megan, how's it going?
Yes.
You're on video. Who are these wonderful gentlemen? Steve
What's
Grant.
up, brother?
How you doing?
How you doing? Watch this action shot.
Oh yeah, there you go. Are you with the city?
Thank you very much.
You're with the city?
We're with the township. We
Oh,
work
township.
Here. Yeah,
Okay,
all three of
perfect.
us right here. Joe,
Oh, wonderful.
my name's
Hey Joe.
How you doing? Thank you very
Fantastic.
much for coming out. We greatly appreciate it.
Absolutely. You gotta say that on camera though.
Oh, thank you to everybody. It means the world to us. Yeah, I can't imagine how thankful we are.
Mm-hmm.
I do appreciate it.
Well, thanks for the opportunity to help. Sure.
Oh, yes. Thank
Cheers. Absolutely.
Sorry, I'm not trying to get you.
They just said not one more load.
Brian, you have anything nice to say today?
No.
Really?
Thanks for all you people that didn't come out. Appreciate your support. I got a full barrel there. It's gonna be
You got a barrel?
That's a $5 fine,
It's
isn't
a
it?
$5 fine for not volunteering today.
Right.
Brian, there's like
Morning. Brian, how you doing today?
Peachy. How are you?
Well, I'm okay. I can't complain.
Ryan's always peachy, isn't he?
Yes.
Paparazzi again. They're always following.
Oh, Gina.
The princess has arrived.
Cool. Oh, there's Ned with his fancy wheelbarrow. Good, man.
Good.
Yeah, I want you on video to say something. Hey, how you doing?
Good to see you.
Absolutely. Thanks for coming out.
The man.
The man himself. Ned, do you want to say what we're doing here?
Oh, we're making the playground safe for the kids. That's what it's all about, right?
Absolutely.
It's for the kids.
It's for the kids.
That's right.
Thank you.
Yeah, no. Happy to do it.
Absolutely.
Hey, Tim's here. He's got more wheelbarrows. He's the man.
So, Jake, you want to say something on video?
We're in Edwardsville now, right?
Yeah, the township.
SIU is excited to be supporting the event. We got a couple of our coaches out here, but ultimately it's just about the community impact. Happy to assist, especially on a beautiful day like this. But looking forward to many projects ahead in support of Edwardsville and the surrounding communities.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Ethan,
Yes, sir.
your first big project.
Yes, sir.
You have anything to say about it?
Hey, it feels great. Wake up in the morning, get to serve the community. Love service above self. It's awesome.
Thank you so much. Absolutely.
I got a gap down below, Nate.
So tell us what we're doing, Tim.
What are we doing?
Right. What are we doing?
Mulching the playground.
Marching the
Service
program.
above self.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
competition.
Well, so far, Ty and Steve have had really good load time.
Red now.
Yeah, he's had some competition on that.
Great dumps.
We're on video now.
This morning I have not had the best one.
Damp it. Awesome. Man, that's professional grade.
Not quite an 18-wheeler, but we got a one-wheeler. Not Smokey and the Bandit.
Right there?
I think we're just gonna.
It's hard to do. Yeah, you can see coming with it.
That's good.
All right. Hey, just real quick, just to let you know, Rotary spread mulch in the Rotary Playground in Airplane Park. So wonderful day, finished early, an hour. We had 27 Rotarians come out, huge thank you, and we had a number of kids. We had 3 township employees come out, including Township Supervisor here, Kevin Hall, so I know he's going to say a few words, but just again, a huge shout out to everybody. Thank you, the opportunity to serve and be a part of the community. So.
Yeah,
Thanks,
I want to just thank Rotary for coming out today, the 27 volunteers and everybody. They helped us build this playground over 10 years ago, and to come back out, spend their Saturday morning here spreading mulch was really appreciated. The kids in our community and further love this park, so thank you for the help.
They did a wonderful job of staging everything and getting it ready for us, so it's spreading. So huge appreciation there. So thank you, appreciate it. Okay. All right.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.